Dhruv's favorite hero is Tiger Shroff. Yes. Sachin, who is your favorite hero?
Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar. Very nice, very nice. Good. Sachin. Who else is there? Samarth. Who is the favorite hero of Samarth? Not there. Hmm? So very good. Favorite hero?
Varun Dhawan.
Varun Dhawan. Very good. Vinay?
Sir Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan. Very nice. So this is, we have to observe this. When somebody is asking us about the hero, we take it only to the entertainment. Is it? We take the heroes are only the entertainers. Is it? One who entertains us becomes the hero. Okay, one more question. What is very essential to live? Ashutosh.
Yes, sir.
What is very much essential to live?
Sir, interest should be there, sir, in life.
Please repeat.
We should have, sir, we should have interest, sir, in everything,
Interest.
sir.
Okay. You have the interest, you can live. What
Otherwise, sir, we will feel boring and we will not do anything.
Okay. Pihu, what is very essential to live?
Sir, you're asking in the sense materialistic or emotions?
Not the emotions. To live, what you need?
Oxygen and water?
Oxygen and water. Is it? So that means we can live without entertainment, but we cannot live without oxygen and water. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
So one who entertains, one who gives us the entertainment is a hero, but one who gives us the oxygen is not a hero. One who gives us the water is not hero. Is it? No. It is simple. Everybody follows your path only. If you ask in the society, if you ask anybody who is your hero, everybody will tell the names of the film actors or one who entertains us. But very rarely, after realizing that, if I ask you now you can tell some freedom fighters are my heroes. Is it? Some military personals are my heroes. Because being in a Sainik school, we quote all this, the military heroes. Is it? But to be very frank, who is the hero? The hero is the one who gives us the basic commodities. That is, as you told. So, of course, nobody supplies us the oxygen. Is it? It is given by the nature. But somebody is there in our life who gives us the water. We never thought him as our hero. Have you ever thought a waterman as a hero in your life? No, nobody thought. Is it? So today's lesson is all about that. Samsara Sagarasya Nayaka. Today we are going to start the new lesson. The name of the lesson is Samsara Sagarasya Nayaka. Samsara means world. Sagara, it is like a ocean. Is it? Many phases are there in this ocean. We need many things in the life. So in this life, who is our real hero? Once again, I will come to the normal. Okay. All of you know the campus of SSBJ very well. Is it? So all of you know that all of you have been to Hanuman temple. Is it cross country
Yes,
road
sir.
which you run? Is it?
Yes, sir.
What you have seen near the Hanuman temple?
Sir, tree.
Huh? What is there?
So there will be a well before it.
Tree is there. Yes,
And
one somebody told something.
There will be a well before it, sir.
There is a big well near the Hanuman temple. Is it? Anybody thought that who constructed that well? Have you ever thought?
Sir, Adil Shai.
Sir, Adil Shah.
No. I am asking, you are answering, that is different.
The
Have you ever
constructors.
had this thought that I want to know who constructed this well? Did
The
this
human
idea
beings.
come to your mind any time? Were you
No, sir.
curious to know that who constructed this well? Be frank, I also many times did not had that idea until I teach this lesson. Understood? Frankly, I am accepting that thought never came to my mind. I hope same with you all. Have you ever thought
Yes,
that I
sir.
want to know who constructed this well? No, because that well is of no use for your personal life and for my personal life. Is it?
Yes.
For us, there is of no use of that well. But just now, just think as you go in the films, na, imagination. Just to go back some 500, 600 years back, then think about that well. Then that well was the very much essential part of the life. Today we have pump sets through which water comes to our tanks, and through the taps we are getting the water very much.
The
But
well
just
will be
think,
one of the
my
life source, sir.
grandmother always used to bring the water from the wells in my village. Of course, my mother also used to bring the water from the wells many times. I also helped my mother to bring the water. But your generation, I hope, never had that opportunity. In my villages, we used to drag the water from the wells. Before that, people used to bring in the pot from the rivers or from the wells, they used to bring the water. Now the world is very different. As time changes, we don't give importance which was very,
Sir, I
very
have
important.
it in my village.
Yes, very nice. When I was started learning computers, we had floppies. Your generation doesn't know what is floppy. Getting a floppy was a very big issue. If any one of friend gets, it was like honey. We all used to go him and beg him. Then CDs have replaced it. Is it in your generation also? You might have seen computer CDs. But now, do you give
Yes.
so much importance? No. Now pen drive has come.
Pen drive.
Again, OTGs have replaced the pen drives nowadays. So that's why
Yes.
if I show you a floppy, you don't feel anything for that because it is of not no use in the present situation. Same thing with you and me when we see the wells. Is it? The wells are the sources of the water for the many generations. Just I will show you just one small presentation where different varieties of wells are there. I hope in every state we have got wells, and you can see the different varieties of wells. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
These
sir.
are this well. Can you identify this? First
Sir,
well.
step well. Sir, step well.
I think you are in class 8, no? I am very
Yes,
sorry
sir.
that you missed the last year's tour. Is it?
Yes, sir.
7th class was supposed to go to the tour to where?
Hampi Badam.
Hampi. This is the famous well of Hampi. Understood? This is the well of Kerala. This down below this, no? And this is Nandi Hills. In the future, many of you will be doing your engineering in the Bangalore. Weekends, all of you will go to Nandi Hills. Understood? This is the common village well. Can you see? So all
Yes,
these
sir.
were the source of water. Have you seen? and even the well structure in the different states are very different. Is it? South Indian wells are very different. North Indian wells are very different. You might have seen in the Rajasthan, in the fort also, they have different ways of wells. And recently that Gujarat well is very, very famous. Have you seen that? In the internet you can search for that. Like that, every state, every village had a well. And in those days, where the wells have played the crucial way of the source of the water, then wells were also worshipped, Then the stage has changed. From the wells, what has come? How did we
The
get
hand
the
pump,
water? From the
the hand pump,
hand
boring,
pumps.
and
Hand pumps. Okay. So once
the
again,
tube wells.
I will show you one more. Share this one. So this is very famous scene in the Rajasthan. Can you see? This is a Rajasthan where women carry water from long distance. And what can you see in the right side? A man he is
The
having
antenna,
two iron rods. A man is having two iron rods. What does it mean? Have you
To
seen
detect
this?
water underneath the surface.
Very nice, very nice. This man is helping where you have to dig the borewell. He finds this is the source, this is the way of finding the water source before you dig the borewell. Nowadays, geologists will help you. In the villages, there are many ways to find out this. Is it not? What are all the other sources, other ways to find out?
Sir, groundwater.
Yes. 1 minute. Groundwater. See, in the villages, you can see that a man comes with the stick, just like a half circle he makes, and he will be moving. Where there is a water, he makes the stick becomes straight. Is it? That's also. Now what I have shown you, the iron rods. I can share video when I have ordered for the borewell in my site. One man has come with the same iron rods. He finds it struck straight. Then he tells here is the water source. So you can get the borewell there.
then
And
nowadays can we do like that?
they are the experts there. And again, some people in the South India, they will come with coconut. You have seen coconut, no? He comes in the palm.
Yes.
The coconut will be laying in the palm. When he moves around your side, and coconut will stand there. Understood? So these are all the misbeliefs. Or people believe him because it is not a, other things are very expensive. These things are not so expensive. That's why they call them. When the coconut stands, no, then he tells water is here. You can have the borewell there. Again, chains, iron bars he will come. And then he tells. But what do we call those people? Many of you, I am seeing that you are laughing at these techniques because you call them unscientific. Is it not? They are unscientific because the science have given us so much that today bore wells of the 1,000 meters can go down and get the water. Is it? But whether it is a bore well or a well or anything, what is the result? Water is the result. Water is the result. So like that, there is a very much progress in the transport. In the history teacher might have explained you better than me. Is it? The transport has taken so much of progress in the field. So when my father used to tell that for the 30 kilometers for his office he was going on the cycle. I don't believe because I never driven my cycle for 3 kilometers. So how about 30 kilometers? And my sons, means if your father tells that I have driven 2000 kilometers my car, you may laugh. Is it 2000-kilometer car? It is a foolishness. When flight is there, in 2 hours you can go. Is it? When progress is there, we always neglect the previous knowledge. It so happens to us. Is it? Nowadays somebody teaches you with the computer. You call him very much advanced. But there was a person who was teaching only with the chalk and board. But what was the result? He was also teaching, and the person who teaches you with the computer, he is also teaching.
Both gives education,
But
sir.
when the modernizing society is getting modernized, the ancient thing, we think them unscientific. Is it? First decision comes to our mind is that it is unscientific. But we must know that it is, you might have heard from your computer teacher, when the first time computer was invented, what was its size? Full room. The size of the computer was full room. First generation computers we create. Is it? When we were studying computers, it was just like a temple. They never allowed us to go with the shoes. First decision was all should remove their shoes, clean their hands. They were not allowing us to touch the computer in the computer period. But now, in every hand, computer is there. That means when technology advances, previous things we think them unscientific. This is the mindset we have to change. That is what we are going to learn from today's lesson. That is Samsara Sagarasya Nayaka. Shall we start? I hope all of you clear.
Yes, sir.
So at least
Yes, sir.
have some, we must learn from this lesson that we must have some respect for even the ancient things. Is it? Even in the modern world is so that even the Einstein comes, we call him unscientific. Is it? The bulb which he invented, the bulbs which we have in the school, so thin. Is it? Very different. Okay, let us study the lesson Samsara Sagarasya Nayaka. Shall we start? Before starting, just a minute, I will make somebody whom last time I made as a co-host. Whom shall I make? Somebody is coming. Pihu, shall I make you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. इदानीं पाठं पठामः. I hope all of you can see the textbook here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अष्टमः पाठः संसारसागरस्य नायकाः. प्रथमं तावत् प्रस्तुत पाठ अनुपम मिश्रा की कृति आज भी खरे है तालाब के संसार सागर के नायक नामक अध्याय से लिया गया है. इसमें विलुप्त होते जा रहे पारंपरिक ज्ञान, कौशल एवं शिल्प के धनी गजधर के संबंध में चर्चा की गई है. पानी के लिए मानव निर्मित तालाब, बावड़ी जैसे निर्माणों को लेखक ने यहाँ संसार सागर के रूप में चित्रित किया गया है. So the heroes in this lesson are those who were constructing the wells. Shall we start? के आसन ते अज्ञात नामानः शतशः सहस्रशः तडागाः सहसैव शून्यात् न प्रकटीभूताः. इमे एव तडागाः अत्र संसारसागराः इति. एतेषाम् आयोजनस्य नेपथ्ये निर्मापयितॄणाम् एककं, निर्मातॄणाञ्च दशकम् आसीत्. एतत् एककं दशकञ्च आहत्य शतकं सहस्रं वा रचयतः स्म। परं विगतेषु 200 वर्षेषु नूतनपद्धत्या समाजे यत्किञ्चित् पठितं, पठितेन तेन समाजेन एककं, दशकं, सहस्रकञ्च इत्येतानि शून्ये एव परिवर्तितानि। अस्य नूतनसमाजस्य मनसि इयमपि जिज्ञासा नैव उद्भूता यत् अस्मात् पूर्वम् एतावतः तडागान् के रचयन्ति स्म। एतादृशानि कार्याणि कर्तुं यो ज्ञानस्य नूतनः प्रविधिः विकसितः, तेन प्रविधिना अपि पूर्वं सम्पादितम् एतत् कार्यं मापयितुं न केनापि प्रयतितम्। के आसन् ते अज्ञातनामानः. As I have asked you in the beginning, what did I ask you in the beginning? That who constructed the wells? Is it? But the person who constructed the wells in our campus, we are totally unaware. Do you know the name? We don't know the name. That's why Ke asante agnata namanaha. Gnataha known. Agnataha means unknown. These names are unknown to us. But who were they? Who are they who are unknown to us? Just